When you've completed a draft or phase of a design project, and you're ready for feedback from colleagues or clients, CorelDraw 2020's new Comments Inspector makes the commenting process easy. This space is where other CorelDraw users can add notes, suggestions, or questions, eliminating the need for marked up image files or PDFs. Before we get started, if you're watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also download a written copy of this tutorial. Here is the document I've been working on, based on artwork by CorelDraw user Marcin Wilczynski. I don't need to provide feedback on my own work, but I can use the Comments Inspector to ask questions for colleagues or clients who will be receiving the file for collaboration. I'll go to Window, Inspectors, Comments. The first step is to sign in, so that those I'm sharing the file with will know who the comments are from. I can use a Google or Microsoft Office 365 account, or sign in as a guest. I'll sign in with the name Mary R. and my email. This email address is where I would be notified when comments are addressed if I were to share this file in Corel Cloud and have collaborators provide comments via CorelDraw.app. Those collaborative features are covered in a separate tutorial. This tutorial focuses on using the Comments Inspector in the desktop version of CorelDraw. I'll click Continue to sign in. Once signed in, I can use this icon at the bottom left of the inspector to sign out or switch accounts. The various types of annotations can be found along the top of this inspector. To add my question to the document, I'll use the Arrow Markup tool, set the arrow color and line width, and keep the end arrow. I'll drag the arrow to point at this text object and enter my question in the inspector. Pressing Tab or Enter closes the comment. I'm listed as the note author, along with the timestamp. The file is now ready for feedback, so I'll save and close. Now say I'm one of the team members responsible for providing feedback. I've received the file from Mary, and it's open in my desktop version of CorelDraw. I see the arrow left by Mary, and I can hover over it to see the text of the comment. I'll open the Comments Inspector and sign in as Sue R. Clicking the arrow highlights the note in the inspector, and highlighting the note in the inspector selects the note marker. This is very helpful for identifying a specific comment in a long list of comments. I can reply to the comment by filling in the field below the note, or I could also have clicked the Actions icon and chosen Reply. Now I can go through the document and provide the rest of my feedback. I'll start by placing a note in this corner with a comment to lighten the image. With the highlighter, I can set the color and width, sweep over what I want to mark, and enter the note text. I can use the Freehand Markup tool to mark an area in the document, then enter the note. Both rectangle and ellipse enable me to draw a shape on the document, with or without a fill. The Collaborative Text tool works only on text objects. While I'm moving my mouse, the cursor gets a small arrow when above text, and when I click, I'm commenting on the entire text string. If I want to edit the text of one of my comments, I can click the Actions icon, choose Edit, and make the change. But I can't edit comments made by others. The Edit option for Mary's comment is grayed out. I also can't delete comments made by others, but I can delete my own. Now it's Sue's turn to save and close the document, and send back to Mary for the actual revisions. I'm signed in again as Mary, and I can see all of Sue's comments and replies. I'll hover over the note, read the comment, and make the requested change. Then I'll click the note marker to open the comment in the inspector. I could reply, or if I have nothing to add, I can click Actions and choose Resolve. This hides the comment, but I can open the options and show resolved comments. Resolving can also be done by clicking the Resolve icon, which can also be used to open a previously resolved comment. For this comment, the rectangle marker is in the way of the object I need to edit. I'll click Options again and turn off Annotations to make it easier to access the object and make the change. Now I can resolve this comment. This brings us to the end of this tutorial on comments and annotations in CorelDraw. If you've been watching this video on YouTube, you'll find a link in the description below that will take you to our tutorial page on Corel's Discovery Center. Here you can also download a written copy of this tutorial.